Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with essentials. Verify your cellular plan and data are active so tethering is allowed. Once done, unlock the iPhone XR and open settings. Go to cellular, then personal hotspot, or directly to personal hotspot if you see it. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled because those simplify device connections. You'll also see the hotspot password listed. Memorize or copy it. This first step exposes the controls you need and confirms the phone can actually share its connection. Now enable the hotspot by toggling Allow others to join to on. This broadcasts your network. You can tap the Wi-Fi password field to set something secure yet typable on guest devices. This prevents accidental access. If you expect older laptops or non-Apple gear, enable Maximize Compatibility to Force 2. 4 GHz operation for broader support. While you're here, note the network name is your iPhone's name. Rename the iPhone in Settings General, About if you need a clearer SS. Connect another device by selecting the iPhone's SSID from its Wi-Fi list and entering the hotspot password. You can also join via Bluetooth or USB for more stable links. If the client won't get internet, try toggling the hotspot off and on, switch airplane mode briefly, or restart the iPhone. These reset radios and often fix IP or routing glitches. If problems persist, make sure your carrier permits tethering on your plan. Contacting carrier support clarifies provisioning or account blocks that prevent sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.